If you are looking for ways of making extra income, either as a salary earner or even a student, then this video is for you. Because in this video, I'm going to talk about 5 solid business ideas that never fail. The good thing about these businesses is that many people don't know about them, and the few people that know about these businesses are actually cashing out from them. And another good thing about them is that they are not time consuming, meaning that they are something you can do alongside your 9 to 5 jobs or other businesses you have around. So if you're going to follow everything I'm going to say in this video, the processes and how you can make money with these businesses, there is no way you will not earn money from them. So stick with me in this video as I take you through these 5 businesses and how you can run them to make money. In case we are meeting for the first time, my name is Chioma, and in this channel, with Chioma channel, we talk about how to make money, side hustle ideas, how to save, and how to invest. In case this sounds like what you are interested in, kindly hit that subscribe button. Click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will always be the first to be notified. So without further ado, let's get into the business of the day. So the number one business idea I'm going to discuss in this video is ladder renting business. I know this may sound simple to you, but let's just look at it this way. For instance, we have builders, we have electricians, we have painters, and these people they need ladder to be able to carry out their work. So because of the nature of their work that require moving from one place to the other, most of them prefer to rent this ladder on site instead of carrying them around. So if you live in a place where there are always construction going on, mostly in urban areas, if you live in urban areas where families are always renovating houses, relocating or doing all kinds of electrical works, this is a very big business opportunity for you. Like you'll be amazed at how much you'll be making from this business because it is a low maintenance business. Like when I was living in my aunt's house when I was in school, I was living with my aunt when I was in school, and she was doing this business. In fact, she's still doing it till date. So she had one ladder that she was renting out, and within a short period, the demand for it grew. People were always coming to rent this ladder, and she had to invest more in it because of this. And today, it is serving as almost a full-time hustle for her. So this is to tell you how lucrative this business is. So if you can give it a try and start renting this ladder in your house or any place you can start doing it, you'll be amazed at how much you'll be making from this business. So I hope you give it a try and trust me when I say that you're not going to regret it. The number two business idea I'm going to discuss in this video is wheelbarrow renting. I know some of you will be like, this one is always talking about renting, renting, renting. But trust me when I say that there is money in this business. Like wheelbarrow is another low maintenance business that's actually giving money to people that know how to do it. Like if you live in construction sites, near construction sites, market areas, or even farming communities, wheelbarrow is a gold mine for you because these people they always need wheelbarrow to carry out loads from one place to the other. For instance, if you live near market areas, you can start this business and be making extra income. Because most of these people you see in the market, like mostly hawkers, or even barrow pushers in the market, they are not the owners of those wheelbarrows. They just rented them. And the demands for these wheelbarrows are high because many people are not into the business. So if you can start this thing, if you are living near market area, you can start it, be renting these wheelbarrows out to these people and they will pay you. Or even if you are not close to the market and you are really interested in doing it, you can go to the market, inquire how you can rent a little space where you can park them. The number of wheelbarrow you have where you can park them, and in the morning you can just go there, rent these wheelbarrows out and then go about your daily activities. Then when these people are done, you already targeted when they will be done. So when they are done, you come back and receive the wheelbarrows and then get paid. So it's actually a business that doesn't distract you from any other thing you are doing. So if you can give it a try, trust me again that you will not regret this business. So I hope you give this business a try as well, and you will always testify, you will come back to testify that this business is actually worth doing. The next business idea I'm going to discuss in this video, which is the number three business idea, is private tutoring. When I talk about private tutoring, I'm talking about home lessons, for instance. Education is something that will never go out of fashion as far as the world is concerned. And as we know, parents are always willing to see their children win. And most of these parents are even willing to empty their pocket just to make sure that their kids are good academically. So if you have any subject you are good at, you can just go to these parents and market to them. Just show confidence and competence that you can do this. And once they see this confidence in you and the competence, they will be willing to take you and pay you well. So you can go through the parents or go to schools. Like if you have private schools around you, you can just go there and discuss with some of the teachers there what you want to do. Because some of the parents they actually like to go through the teachers. So you can go to the teachers, discuss with them what you want to do and how you want to do it, so that when these parents come, they can easily refer you to them. So some of the teachers they are not always taking this, they don't always take most of this because some of them already have some other places they are doing homeless and they can't take more than they can control. So they are always willing to refer you to others. So you can go to them, discuss with them and beg them to always refer you when this kind of opportunity comes, because it comes all the time, and it is a good way of making money because it doesn't take much of your time. Like some of them, you go twice in a week or at most 3 times in a week, and if they you don't spend more than 2 hours. Like some of them even do it for 1.5 hours. So it's not something that takes the whole of your time. And the money is not some it actually gives a good money. You can do it and earn extra income that you can use to support the ones you are earning before. So it is actually a nice business idea for you to try out. The number 4 business idea I'm going to talk about in this video is food vending and meal prep. Everyone eats, right? So this is to tell you that food business is another business that will never go out of fashion. Whether it is selling food at busy areas, offering meal prep services to busy professionals, or even supplying them to schools and organizations, there will always be demand. The key is just for you to be good and consistent, and there will always be demand. And you must not necessarily have a shop for you to do this. You can just go to big offices around you where there are so many workers there. You can go there and discuss with the workers what to sell, market to them, and collect their numbers. So from time to time, you can just chat them up, remind them what you sell. And one of these days, they would like to give you a try. And once you're able to deliver, you secure their trust. And they will keep on coming back and even refer you to other people. And this is how businesses grow. So it's a good way of making money. And once you're able to do it and secure their trust, you see yourself earning money on daily basis. So it's a good business and I hope you give it a try as well and you will not regret it, just as always. The last but not the least business idea I'm discussing in this video is laundry services. Laundry services is another business that gives steady income, and you must not start it in a very big way. You can just start with a small washing machine and some cleaning agents, and as the business expands, you may decide to include other things that will make the work easier for you. So just like food vending, you can go to some offices that have busy professionals, busy workers, discuss with them, collect their numbers, and keep on reminding them what to do. With time, they will begin to demand for your services, and this is a good way of making extra income. So as usual, I hope you also give this one a try. It's a very good business. So we have come to the end of this video. Let me know in the comment section which of these businesses you are going to give a try. And in case you have any question concerning any business you want me to talk about, drop it on the comment section and I will do just that. And please, in case you haven't subscribed to my channel, please help me and hit that subscribe button. It's a way of encouraging me to do more. And if you have done that, thank you so much and welcome to the community. Thank you so much for sticking with me till the end of this video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.